Good day. So I am Janayna Disanila from Kalilangan Pioneering Institute. So I'm with 12 youth. What forms of media did you use when you were young?
When I was young, I will get the information from the radio.
How did you get news and information before the internet?
Okay. I will get the information during my time to listen radio or read a newspaper or talk to other people.
Third question. What did you use for entertainment in the past?
I will get entertainment to go outside and playing like dancing or
How media today different from media you used it before?
the difference of media today and before. The media today is more on computers, cell phone, and
Before,
I have a no using cell phone or computer.
thank
That's
you.
all. Thank you.
Yay!